Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't
What you say about me?
nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name!
YouTube. Got my tire pressure sensors that came in. Just came in. I'm about to install them now. Go up here and see how much they're gonna charge to take this thing on one of these rims. Not really the price, but shit, how long it's gonna take their ass. But it comes like this. I mean, it came with something else on top of holding this in, but it goes like this. All those little arrows are directions that you have to follow so they know what tire you got. Let me show y'all real quick. Like this, the directions. And it's Bluetooth ready. So you can do it off your phone. But you know me, I'm gonna do it off my screen. So hold fast. Alright, YouTube, I'm downloading the app now. That tire, for the tire shit. Show y'all what it looks like on here. I'm gonna run it here too. Alright, they all on all of them, so they all on. So cut y'all back on so y'all can see what it look like. Alright.